Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Kafka series. In this video, we will cover the Kafka commands with their examples. Let's get started. So, in the Zookeeper server commands, there are mostly two commands which we will use actually. So, first one is the how to start the Zookeeper and how to stop the Zookeeper. Okay, first thing I want to cover. So let's say if you are using the MacBook, okay, then you can use the commands which are inside the bin folder, and there are shell script. Okay, but let's say if you are in a Windows machine, or if you are running this command in a Windows machine, then inside a bin folder there is a Windows folder. Okay, so inside the Windows folder there are batch files. Okay, so you can use the those batch files to just run these commands. Okay, so and the name would be the same exact name. Instead of .sh, the name would be .bat. Okay, yeah. Now let's say if you want to run the Zookeeper server, then just use the Zookeeper server start.shell script and give the configuration file, okay, which is needed. So for an examples, inside config folder, there is a zookeeper.properties file. So just use that properties file and give it to the Zookeeper. Okay. Now, let's say if you want to stop the Zookeeper, then use the Zookeeper server stop.sh command. Okay. Similar to Kafka server or broker, mainly two commands we will use. So, how to start the Zookeeper, how to stop the how to start the broker, and how to stop the broker. Okay, so the similar we have a Kafka server start.sh and Kafka server stop.sh. Okay, and similarly we can give the server properties file to start the Kafka broker. Okay, so inside the config folder there is a server.properties file. So just give that to Kafka server. Okay, now in the Kafka topic commands, okay, so inside a bin folder there is a shell script Kafka topics.sh. Okay, so if you want to do anything related to the Kafka topic, just use this script. Okay, so there are different options are there, how to give that options. So if you want to know what all the options are available in the Kafka topics, just use the hyphen hyphen help command to get all the options. Okay, now let's say I want to create a topic, then I will use this Kafka topics.sh, then hyphen hyphen create, and then what is the topic name I want to create. So hyphen hyphen topic name. Then let's say how many partitions I want to create on in that topic. Then I will give the hyphen hyphen partitions, number of partitions I want to create. Then hyphen hyphen replication factor. So let's say how many replicas I want to create for those topic. Okay, so we can give that replication factor, hyphen hyphen replication factor, and then number of replicas. Then which broker we want to run this topic. Okay, so this hyphen hyphen bootstrap server, the server name. So for an examples, I want to create a my topic with the three partitions and single replica on my local host. I'm the local broker. Okay, so hyphen hyphen bootstrap server localhost 9092. You can give your own broker address, whatever whenever where are you are running these commands. Okay, so now let's say I want to, and one more thing. So let's say if you won't provide any partitions or the replication factor while creating the topic, it will use the default values. Okay, so which are the single partition and single replicas. Okay, now let's say I want to know what all the topics are exist in the Kafka server and Kafka broker. Okay, so you can provide the hyphen hyphen list options. uh, list options. Okay, so which will list all the Kafka topics are available on that broker. Okay, then let's say I want to describe the topic. So let's say I want to know how many partitions are there in that Kafka topic, how many replicas are there, and what all the other configs are there in the Kafka topic. Okay, so you can describe that topic using the hyphen hyphen describe. Give the topic name hyphen hyphen topic name the bootstrap server. Okay, so let's say here I want to describe my topic. Now let's say I have created. Now I want to delete the topic. Just give the hyphen hyphen delete options. Okay, for the topic name, and that from that broker. Okay. Now I have created topic, but now I want to modify or update that topics. Okay, or I want to add some configurations on the existing topic. Then you can alter that topic. So you can use hyphen hyphen alter command. Just give the topic name and then hyphen hyphen add config. So and then what are the config key and values you are giving on that broker. So let's say I want to add the retention period of the topic to some values. Okay, so I can give hyphen hyphen add config retention dot ms equals some values. Now let's say I want to modify the partitions or alter the partitions. So you can give the hyphen hyphen alter how many partitions. So let's say initially we have created three partitions. Now I want to create five partitions. Okay, so you can give hyphen hyphen partitions five. So whatever the options we or the config we have given in the topic, we can alter those. Okay, or we can add any configurations using the alter commands. Okay. Now, let's say I want to know what all the producer commands are there. Okay, so inside a bin folder, there is a Kafka console producer.sh. Okay, so for related to any producer console, we will use this command in the shell script. Okay, and if you want to know what all the options are available, just use the hyphen hyphen help for this Kafka console producer.sh. It will give all the options are available on those producer. Okay, so now let's say I want to publish a message to a specific Kafka topic. So I will create a producer using the Kafka producer console producer.sh. Give the Kafka topic name, which topic I want to publish the message, and using the which broker I am using to publish the message. So hyphen hyphen bootstrap server name. Okay, so here in example you can see in the my topic I want to publish the message. Okay, now let's say I want to run the producer with some config files. Okay, so you can give the options like hyphen hyphen producer dot config. Just provide the config files, okay, which is inside a config folder. Okay, producer dot config or producer dot properties, whatever is there. If it is not there, just create it. Okay, then let's say I have published the message to a Kafka topic, but I want to acknowledge that this message has successfully written into the topic or not. Okay, so we can give the hyphen hyphen properties producer properties and the options key value like acknowledge. Okay, so SCKS. So there are three values we can define. We can provide 0, 1, and all. So 0 means we don't want any acknowledgement from the server. Okay, 1 means let's say if the message has been successfully written into the leader. Okay, so let's say if you have multiple replicas, if the message be written successfully into the leader, then just give the acknowledgement. And if you are giving all options, then let's say if you have multiple replicas, then acknowledge only when the message has been successfully written into all the replicas. Okay, so hyphen hyphen producer properties acknowledge also. Once message been written, we'll get it acknowledgement. Okay, now let's say I want to serialize my message. So we will give the same. We'll use the hyphen hyphen producer properties. Okay, we'll use the key values pair. So key is the value dot serialize. Whatever the serializer mechanism we are using, we can give. So in the example, you can see hyphen hyphen producer properties. I'm giving the value dot value dot serialize and this serialize string serializer. Okay, so there are two times it written. I will remove it. Okay, so then Kafka message with compression. So let's say if the message is too big, okay, then I want to compress the message. So whatever compression algorithm type you want to give, you can give it. So you just give the hyphen hyphen options and the option like compression codec. Okay, so there are these values: none, gzips, snappy, lz4, z standard. Okay, so if you won't provide any compression options, then by default it's a gzip. Okay, so let's say here I want to use this snappy. So in the example you can see compression codec snappy. Now let's say I want to create user defined properties. Okay, so you can give the hyphen hyphen. You can use the properties options. Just give the key values. So let's say include header. So I'm giving the values of one. So an example you can see. I want to. I have added include header properties. Okay, so this is the key and this is the one is the value. Okay, now let's say you have multiple partitions in a topic. Okay, let's say five partitions. But I want to return the message into a specific partitions. Okay, then I can give the options hyphen hyphen partitions, which partition I want to publish the message. Okay, so let's say I want to publish the message on the partition one. Okay, so in example you can see. Now let's go to the Kafka consumer commands. So similar to producer, we have the Kafka console consumer.sh as well. Okay, so you can use hyphen help to get all the options. So now let's say I want to consume the message from a specific topic. Okay, so you can give the topic name from which broker I want to read. Okay, so you can use the so in the example you can see Kafka console consumer is reading from the my topic which are available in this broker localhost 9092. Now so let's say the messages are there on the topic, but now you are consuming from the live data. So older messages are not has been consumed, but let's say I want to consume from the starting from that queue, Kafka queue, right? So you can give the options hyphen hyphen from beginning. Okay, so it will read the data or the message from the beginning of the topic. Okay, so let's say we have many messages in that topic, so it will read from the starting. Okay, now let's say I want to consume the message from a specific partitions only. Okay, so let's say I want to read the message from a partition 0. Then you can give the options hyphen hyphen partition id or the number which partition. Okay, for a specific topic. Now, let's say I want to add the consumer into a consumer group. Okay, so you can give the options hyphen hyphen group and the group consumer group name. So it will add this consumer in a consumer group. So in the example, you can see add this my topic into a consumer group, my consumer group. Okay. Now, let's say I want to display a message offset. Okay, so you can use the hyphen hyphen property print offset options. Okay, now I want to set the output to message format. Okay, so you can use the properties options and just use the print key equals true and what all the separators are there. Okay, what all the formats you want to read. Now, let's say here you want to read a message from a specific offset. Okay, so now let's say in the Kafka topic, you have a 10 messages. Okay, you don't want to read from the starting and in the end. Let's say you want to read the message from a specific offset like a 5. Okay, so you can give the options like a hyphen hyphen offset and then let's say 10. So I want to read the message from starting from the 10th positions. Okay, 10th offset. Now, let's say someone say, no, I want to read the or the consume the message from multiple topics. Okay, so you can give the topics name in a comma separated. Okay, so let's say hyphen hyphen topic name with comma separated. So in the example, you can see hyphen hyphen topic one, topic two. Okay, so now let's go to the Kafka consumer commands. Okay. Similar to Kafka producer, we have a Kafka consumer groups.sh shell script inside a bin folder. So we'll use the hyphen hyphen help command to get all the options. Now, similar to the topic, let's say I want to list all the groups available on that broker. So we can give the hyphen hyphen list option to get all the consumer groups in that broker. Okay, now similar to the topic, I want to describe the group. Okay, so how many topics are there and how many leg are there on that topic, how many, what is the current offset, and on which partitions they are reading, and everything if you want to know. Okay, so we can describe using the hyphen hyphen describe. Okay, for this particular group name hyphen group and the consumer group. So example, you can see describe the group my consumer group. Okay, now let's say you want to reset the consumer group offset. Okay, so now let's say in the Kafka topic, right? So in the consumer, we are reading from a specific offset, but I want to reset that offset to let's say based on the timestamp. Okay, so we can use the reset offsets options. Okay, and to what time we want to set. Okay, on from which topic I want to set. So in the examples, just use the groups shell script. This is the broker which consumer group, and then reset offset to a specific date and time. So give the hyphen hyphen to date time, and this time I want to reset my offset, and which topic I want to reset, hyphen hyphen topic name. Okay, and give the options execute. Okay, so it will reset the offset of the consumer group, my consumer group of topic my topic. Okay, now let's say if you don't want to reset the offset to a specific timestamp, you want to set it to some earliest or the latest one. Okay, what is the earliest available or what is the latest available? Okay, so you can give the options to in the same reset offset to hyphen hyphen earliest of this topic, or to the latest hyphen hyphen latest and the two latest. Okay, so it will reset the offset to the earliest or the latest one. So in the example, you can see in the my consumer group, my topic, I want to reset this topic offset to earliest. So to earliest I can give and execute options. Similar to you can reset the consumer group offset and execute with the similar command. Now let's say I want to delete the group, consumer group. You can give the options like hyphen hyphen delete. It will delete the consumer group. Okay. Now, let's say I want to run my consumer group commands in a dry run options. Okay. So you can give the options hyphen hyphen dry run. So it won't do anything. It will just give the logs like what it will do. Okay, in a dry run options. So I hope this gives you a basic understanding about the Kafka commands with an examples. So if you like the video, just subscribe and share with your friends. Yeah, thank you.